No ads. No ads. I don't want to get canceled.
You're right.
Alright,
Ultimate works.
Ultimate works. Yep, correct. Alright.
Oh.
Is it hard reaching that C star?
It is.
Yeah, C stars are always hard to reach, especially when you can't like get them right. And hey, you want to know the cool part?
What?
If you look at the gate, look at it.
Uh-huh.
The gate has like two like gaps in it because the conveyor is like
This part right
different,
here.
yeah.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying.
what?
Oh, I see. It goes over that part down there.
Yeah, because when it goes down, it can't like overlap the conveyor, or the conveyor belt will get stuck.
Okay.
So yeah, that's weird, but it's funny at the same time.
That's it.
Oh, hold on, wait, I thought that light was like a little. I thought that light was like just a projector. I love projectors, by the way. Projectors and watches like this. McNeil. This is McNeil.
You tell me steady go what this lady is.
Since this is McNeil, this McNeil is like different than Sadi's, because Sadi's looks the exact same, but McNeil is different. Is
Oh,
that
yeah?
funny?
I didn't know that.
Smells good. Smells good. That should McNeil pizza. Nice. Oh, it zooms in.
Ooh.
That was loud. Remember, this is a Jeep for a reason. Not. That was. You smell that? That. McNeil, I don't know what that is. I forgot what it is. Feel it. No. Oh, these are all. They're really flexible. That's what it's called. These are the no arm ones. So actually, when the oven, no, that one right there, the arm for it is on the bottom. Ooh. Okay. Hot one. That looks like pee. Foam pee.
Oh, your video.
Not bad. There you got the tire shine coming the way out.
What's the good on?
Oh, wait. Same. Oh, do you feel that? I literally got like little like wetness on my head.
Yeah.
See you guys. Bye.